Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a second Gmail account. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to open up a web browser. This one will work on both phone and a computer. Once you have your web browser open, just go ahead and go to mail.google.com or gmail.com. So once you're in here, if you are logged in with your current account, just go ahead and tap on your profile right here at the top right. Tap or click on it. And as you can see here, I have already added multiple accounts right here. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add right here with a plus sign. So go ahead and click that as well. Once you're in here, locate the option create an account, which is usually located below the box. Click on it and simply choose for my personal use. Add your first name and last name. All right. For example, here, once done, just hit on next. Just like the same process when you created your first account. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put in my month, the day, the year, and the gender, of course. Next, Gmail will give you a random email address right here. But if you want to, you can create your own. Just go ahead and select this option right here and create your own Gmail address. For example, hit next. Next. Then I'm going to type in my password. Next, add a recovery email if you want to strengthen the security measures of your account. I'm going to add my main. You should do that as well. Add your main email address as your recovery email. Once done, just hit on next. And as you can see here, it says review your account info. And this is the name that I added. And this is the email that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on next. Once done, scroll down and hit on I agree. And there you have it. We have just created a second Gmail account. So when we go back to our mail.google.com, when we click on our profile, just go ahead and click on add another account again and enter the newly created Gmail account. If you want to add that secondary Gmail or the second Gmail account in here on your browser. All right. All right, as you can see here, it says that I am now signed in. I'm going to click on not now. Just go ahead and refresh this website, the mail.google.com, and it will be automatically added to the list of accounts right here. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.